Okay, we got the Gravity Electric Pepper and Salt Mill set. And we have batteries in one of them. We're gonna show you how to put the batteries in the other one. We had to get some more batteries today. So you just turn the little knob right there and it pops apart. And then you can see right there where the batteries, these are AAAs. It does take 6 AAA batteries. Make sure you put them facing the right direction. And kind of snap it back on top. And make sure the little dots line up right there. So you should be good to go. Next thing you need is some salt and pepper, which will be ground up in the shakers. So these are going to be very convenient. It's going to keep your salt and pepper freshly ground, so it'll taste better in your food. And what you're going to do now is you need to load up one of them and show you how it works. So you need to unscrew the little plastic part where the pepper goes in the bottom. And we're going to pour some little pepper balls in there. Peppercorns. And we're going to screw the bottom back on. And what's cool, all you have to do is just turn it upside down and the pepper will automatically grind. And it also has a little light, look at that. So all you gotta do is just turn it upside down and it does the work for you. You don't have to turn any knobs or anything. And plus it has a little built-in light to show you, so you can see how much pepper and how much salt you're actually putting on your food or your sandwich or whatever you're doing. So, all right, so one thing we want to point out is there's a little knob right here, and if you want to turn it, if you turn it clockwise, then when you grind your pepper, it'll be a lot finer. So when we did it a second ago, the pepper was very big, and now you can see it's coming out in smaller little pieces right there. So you can adjust. You can adjust for more coarse. And you can see how those pieces are bigger. And now you can, so here's the finer ones that we ground, and then here's the more coarse ones here. So definitely a difference, and you need to adjust that on yours as needed. Check these out, pretty cool. Gravity Electric Pepper and Salt Mill Set. Pretty sleek, pretty cool looking. Maybe it'll work for you.